Hi friends, welcome back to Raksha and Rhia World. I'm Raksha and today we're doing another fun and exciting science experiment. We will be popping balloons using orange peels. Now let's see the materials required for doing the experiment. We would need a balloon and orange peels, so let's see how to do it. The science behind an orange peel popping a balloon lies in a little compound called as the limonene. Here's the science breakdown. Limonene is a natural oil found in the rinds of citric fruits and is responsible for the characteristics such as the crispy scent. It is also present in orange peels as orange is a citric fruit. Remember this golden rule of chemistry, both limonene and the balloon material, usually latex, are non-polar molecules. This means they have a similar affinity and tend to mix well. Squeeze the orange peel on the balloon. The limonene oil comes into contact with the latex. Due to their similar nature, the limonene starts dissolving the latex, though in a small amount. As the balloon dissolves, its structure weakens. With enough weakening, especially in a thin, stretched balloon, the tension buildup inside overcomes the weakening areas, leading to that pop in the balloon. Bigger is better. Inflating the balloon to a large size stretches the latex thinner, making it more susceptible to the dissolving effect. While squeezing, making small cuts in the peel can help release more limonene for faster results. In the next upcoming video, we'll see what non-polar molecules are. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.